I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need two basics first: a current iOS backup and to know your model. Once done, open Settings and tap Accessibility. You're looking for VoiceOver because iPhone uses VoiceOver rather than Android Talkback. This difference matters for fixes. Tap VoiceOver to access its main controls. Make sure the slider and rotor respond when you touch them. If they don't, proceed to restart or toggle features. This sets up a safe starting point, so changes won't cost data or time. Now adjust the core settings to target the fault. First, toggle VoiceOver off, wait 5 seconds, then back on. This often clears glitches. If speech is wrong, go to speech and lower the speaking rate or choose a different voice because codec problems cause garbled audio. Use the rotor to confirm navigation items are present. Once you've changed these, test by swiping and double tapping. If navigation works, you've fixed most software issues. Otherwise, move to deeper resets. Finish with a restart. Power off, wait 30 seconds, then power on and test VoiceOver navigation and speech. If issues persist, reset accessibility settings only. This preserves data while restoring defaults. Make sure to test after each step so you know what resolved it. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio still stutters, try removing custom voices and redownloading over Wi-Fi. Corrupted voice files are a common culprit. If nothing helps, restore from backup or contact Apple support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.